Welcome back, guys. It's Kids Coding Playground here, and today we're back for our 5K special.
So today we just hit a couple days ago we just hit 5,000 subscribers. Thank you guys for all subscribing to our channel. So today we'll be doing a Q&A. We will have some Minecraft gameplay
for the next 20 minutes.
Yeah, for us playing Minecraft in the background, some survival gameplay. So yeah, and we'll be answering questions while you get to see some of the gameplay. All right, so now let's get started on to the Q&A. Okay, here's the first question. So this person said, "Congratulations. My question, what or who was your inspiration to start a YouTube channel?" So we always wanted to upload videos onto YouTube, and we thought uploading videos on YouTube would be cool, and so we decided to make a Scratch channel where we could teach other people how to learn Scratch while making videos. So it could be fun for us teaching them, and they could also learn from us.
So our dad told us not to start a gaming channel because originally we wanted to start a gaming channel, which we have right now, Gamer Territory. We have that. So Gaming Territory. I forgot what it's called. It's Gaming Territory. So yeah, we wanted to start that, but we decided that Scratch would help us learn and you guys to learn.
So another person says, "My question is, why do you target to code in Scratch and not other softwares like Roblox Studio and more?" So we target Scratch because Scratch is easier to learn and it's a bigger coding platform. Yeah, so that's why we chose Scratch. And in Roblox Studio, I'm pretty sure you need money to buy Robux.
Yeah,
and to make games. So like I've played Roblox games before, so
yeah. Scratch is a better platform in my opinion. So yeah, you can create a lot of games and there's a lot of possibilities. So
Scratch is also easier to learn than Roblox Studio, I'm pretty sure. I guess Scratch is like for kids to learn coding. So yeah.
Okay, so this one says, this user asked, "Do we have any experience with YouTube before this channel, or is this our first channel?" This is our first channel, so we actually don't have experience with YouTube. We thought of maybe creating a YouTube channel to teach kids programming. So I started with my kids to make Scratch programs and games to share with other people.
Okay, so many people asked for a face reveal, so I'll put other accounts and questions up on the screen. So many people asked for a face reveal. We might do one later in the future if we hit like a subscriber milestone.
Yeah, subscriber milestone would be great. Yeah, and we could do a face reveal so all of you guys. Yeah, so it's just a face reveal.
So you guys can stop asking us for a face reveal once we do it, okay? So yeah, that's basically this question. So just like the other comment, another person asked us, why are you interested in Scratch or but other programming apps? So asking us why we like Scratch better than other programming apps. So we do Python videos sometimes. We do Python on Trinket.io.
Yeah.
But we are interested in Scratch because it's simple for kids to learn, and it was pretty simple for me and my brother to learn.
Yeah, it's just a block dragging type of thing.
So
Python and like real coding is typing, but this is a really simple thing for people to learn and also have fun.
So Scratch is a little bit easier than the other programming languages where you have to use more logic.
So this person says that, "My question is, did you start this channel for fun or you had a goal that you wanted to be a famous YouTuber?" So we started this for fun, and we also wanted to help kids learn Scratch.
So we wanted to teach people how to use Scratch to code while also while also learning ourselves. And we did not even think we'd get this famous. Are we really that famous? We only have like 5,000 subscribers. I mean, famous is like millions of subscribers, okay? We only started this for fun, to teach other people. We didn't even think we'd get even 100 subscribers, okay? So thank you guys all for subscribing.
Yeah, thank you.
Or we wouldn't be at this goal. Thank you guys for 5,000 subscribers. Okay, so Random Nub asks, why are you such a good YouTuber? Scratch YouTuber, okay? So first of all, thank you for your support, for saying our channel is good or something. Okay, thank you. And second of all, I'm not sure. Or we were, You tell me. I don't know why we're so good. I don't know. I don't think we're that good actually. We're just mediocre for a YouTuber, Scratch YouTuber.
D plus.
Okay, so Blaster and Ice RBLX asks.
I think it's cool.
My question is, what is your favorite Scratch game or favorite build game? So my favorite Scratch game at least is probably gonna be Ninja 5. It's a pretty fun game. I played that a long time ago. And your favorite game?
My favorite game is Epic Ninja. It's made by Griffpatch, one of the most popular people. You can check his channel at 19k subs, 20k I think.
Yeah, his channel's pretty good. He makes cool
content.
Scratch games. So yeah, be sure to check him out on
Oh
Scratch.
yeah, and he also asked about what's your favorite build game, and favorite build game is probably Minecraft. Minecraft is really fun. Yeah, it's just really fun. You just build.
For our next question, someone asks, congratulations, which Scratch project do you like the best that you've created so far? So I like this question. This is a pretty good one. I have a lot of projects I like personally, so I don't know which project is my favorite. I'd say either the 2-player fighting game or the scrolling platformer or the Christmas platformer. Those 3 games are probably my top 3 favorite. And so for my brother?
Yeah, my favorite is Rock Blaster because that game I made that one. So
yeah, that video blew up on our channel. So thank you guys for viewing that video as well.
So I also like the Destroy the Virus game because that's a really cool game. And remember, wear your mask.
Okay, for me, I like the center platformer that I created. I thought that was really cool.
Yeah.
That took us a lot of time to work on it. So if you guys have not checked it out, go check out the tutorial. It'll show you how to do it.
Or you can see the demo.
Yeah, see the demo from the beginning to end. Show you exactly how to make that game.
Okay, so K Srivatsan, sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong, but he says, "Hey Scratcher, can you just help me with the clone's ghost effect changing color topic behind a platformer? I'm asking you to show it in YouTube as I tried that kind of platformer several times, but it didn't work." Okay, so first of all, we have a lot of videos where we use ghost effects, clones, and color changing. We have a lot of those. You can check out our playlists and our videos. We have about like 200 videos, so you can check that out. Or if you really want to learn it, maybe in the future we can create a video on that. So we'll see.
Color effect,
Yeah, we'll see. This person also asks about the changing color ghost effect on a platformer. Okay, so in our scrolling platform, remember we use the clones. So like we use the clones to find where we want the spikes. So we also did that in Among Us. We also did that in the Among Us platformer. So you guys can check that out if you want. Yeah.
So someone asked, congratulations. My question is how you will get the idea for super games. So I don't know if our games are super, but you guys can say if it's super if you want. So we normally look back at our old projects and we just do them so that you guys can play them on your own. And we also have the seasons, because seasons like summer or winter, because we had a Christmas platformer that was for the winter.
We make games according to the weather, like theme games, stuff like that. We also look at trending topics such as, remember Among Us was popular a couple months ago. So like we decided to make some projects on that. So like we just find some trending topics. Sometimes we get some ideas from YouTube and the internet, and then we make these ideas into our games. Okay, another person asks, congratulations, what's your real name and where do you live? Okay, so first of all, our real name is Kids Coding Playground, so don't question it, it's just Kids Coding Playground.
Yeah, and where do you live? We live in Antarctica. Just kidding, we live in the US. Yeah, so
we live in the US, but we're not going to tell you what our real name is, but let's just say our name's Kids Coding Playground for now, okay? Okay, so Adam Smith asks 3 more questions so this guy already asked us another question earlier. So, a few more questions. How long does it take for you to prepare and make a tutorial video? Also, do you play any other games? If so, which games do you like to play? And how many subscribers do you gain or lose a day?
So yeah, nice question, Adam. So
I'll answer the first question.
Yeah.
Okay, so how long does it take you to prepare for a tutorial video? Okay, it takes a while, okay? So it could take a couple hours to weeks. So sometimes we have to like make the project.
Edit.
After making the project, we have to make the video, edit the video, and post the video. So if it's a really complicated project, it'll take like a week or maybe a month. I don't know. If it's a simple project we already have, it might take a couple hours, maybe like 1 or 2 hours. And it'll take us like another like an hour to export the video and post it. And also, do you guys play any other games? Also, let me add a couple more things to the first question Adam asked. So sometimes it'll take us, when we upload a video, we have to make the thumbnail and add all the sprites into the Google Drive, which will take some time as well. So remember, you do not need access for Google Drive, just to remind you guys. So it might take around 3 hours actually, because we still have to upload thumbnail and all that stuff.
And like, yeah, so also, do you guys play any other games? If so, which games do you like to play? So I enjoy Battle Cats. That's also a really fun game, and Minecraft. So what about you?
I enjoy playing Brawl Stars. Sometimes I play Minecraft as well. We don't play that much games. We only play a couple of games. I used to also play Roblox, but I don't play anymore.
Also, how many subscribers do you gain or lose a day? So we gain
about 30 subscribers, 30 to 40 subscribers a day.
One time we got like 60, 70. It's
Yeah,
pretty rare to get those days.
So usually we get 30 or 40 subscribers a day, and we probably lose like 10 subscribers a day.
Maybe 20 sometimes.
Yeah. So, yeah. Please subscribe. Thank you guys for subscribing.
Subscribe. We put so much effort. Please.
What? Another person asked, what time do you sleep? Okay, so what time do we sleep? Usually around 10 to 10:30 p.m. is when we sleep.
Yeah, 10:23.
No. What? No? Just like around 10 to 10:30. That's when we usually sleep.
Okay, yeah. Done.
Okay, so Arts Creation says, are you a self-taught scratcher, or have you been taking some classes like Whitehead Junior and stuff? How do you deal with haters? What are your thoughts? What age group of people watch your videos? And been sub since 1K. So thank you for subscribing since 1K. That's pretty early. Thank you for subscribing. And are you a self-taught scratcher? No, I'm not. My dad teaches Scratch at a school before. He used to teach there. So I also used to learn with him. And my brother also learned with him. So second question.
How do you deal with haters? We sometimes ignore them, or we just reply back to them, why do you hate our videos so much? Yeah, that's a hater.
Yeah, so like we don't get much haters, but every once in a while we see one. We usually just ignore them now.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts? What age group of people watch your videos? I think my thoughts are fine on it. Usually around like 9 to like
10.
11 years old.
Yeah. We can see what age group, and some people, we have 65 plus people watching our channel.
Yeah, we have like a chart where it shows the age group of our channel.
Yeah.
But some people use their parents' account, so it's not completely accurate. But my thoughts are fine. I mean, any person can learn Scratch, any
Even
age,
when
in any age, so it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, like when they're 77, they can still learn.
Okay, someone else says, hi, I'm a subscriber. What is list and variables? Can you answer that, please? First of all, thank you for subscribing. And what is variables and lists? So we have a lot of tutorials. Go check out our playlist on how to and what is. We have a lot of tutorials on variables and lists. So please check that out if you want to learn.
So, Kamala Hayati says, who inspired you to code in Scratch? That is my question. And, Griff Patch did. Griff Patch and Will Wham, they're really popular, and they inspired me to code. And my dad, because he also helped me code. And, yeah, Will Wham and Griff Patch had such cool games, I decided to try to get cool games too. So, yeah.
Okay, AS World says, can you make a 3D game in Scratch? Okay, first of all, we already have a 3D game. My friend made it.
Yeah.
It's like a 3D maze game. And second of all, 3D games are very complicated to make, so I don't think we have time for that because we have school and all. But you can check out the 3D maze my friend made. If you want, use the raycasting method to do it. Yeah, so you guys can check that out if you want. So the maze games on our channel, videos, just check out our advanced tutorials, I think, and you'll find it.
So Blaster and Ice Roblox, another RBLX. I don't know if that's Roblox, but his PFP is Roblox. So he says, it's a comment, I will watch your video. Q&A, hit your view 100K. So probably not. So it's probably not gonna hit 100K.
The video's probably not gonna hit 100K.
That's hilarious.
We only have like one video that just hit over 100K, so that's gonna be really tough. Yeah. So just please view it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
View it 80 times.
Okay. Another person asked. Good. My question is that who taught you Scratch coding website or Whitehead Jr.? Okay. So our dad taught us. I think we already said this.
Yeah.
Our dad taught us how to use Scratch, and Whitehead Jr. I'm not really sure about them.
Yeah.
Haven't used them before, so
I'm not sure if they're good or bad.
yeah. So that's Whitehead Jr. We've never used it, so we don't know. I heard from another YouTuber that they said Whitehead Jr.
is fake.
So
It's a scam, and well, I'm not sure about that.
yeah, I think I saw a YouTube video on that. But
Yeah. Yeah, and how they had like a 13-year-old that's so smart and got murdered or whatever.
Okay, whatever. Let's just move on to the next question. K. Srivatsan also says, so please make a new platformer.
Like that.
Okay, so a new platformer. I don't know if we have time for that, but
We could do that in the summer. Make summer instead of Christmas.
Yeah, we can check our platformer playlist. We have a couple of them in there. We have like 5. You can check them out over there. Just do the ones you haven't done, I guess. We have a lot of platformers.
If
so,
you've done them all, we can make another one.
yeah, we'll make one soon. Okay, so thank you.
So Aditya says, please make a car racing game. We already do have. No, we don't have it. I mean, we could make one later. So yeah.
We don't have much time right now, so I don't think we can do it right now. Maybe in the future we will. Okay, so we'll keep that in mind. We have a game like the Fairly Breaks game. If you want to check that out, it's not really a racing game, but like
Survive.
you are the car and you try not to get hit by obstacles. So
Yeah.
you can check that out. Okay, Discover New Things with Me says, he has 3 questions. How did you know about Scratch? So, about 4 years ago, I think, a while back, I heard we had the tech fair in where we live, and then my dad told us maybe you should try out Scratch because it's simple for us to learn, so we did the tech fair, and we did Scratch for the tech fair. And one of the years I actually won 3rd place for the tech fair, so it was pretty cool.
So, when will you do a face reveal? So,
Why do you guys want a face reveal?
5 letters. LATER.
Later, okay, yeah. I don't know why people like face reveals, but maybe later. We'll do it later, okay?
Yeah, and are you self-taught?
No, we are not. Our
no.
dad taught us, so yeah. I think we answered the last 2 questions already, but like we'll answer them again, I guess. So yeah, we are not self-taught. We are still learning from ourselves and progressing in Scratch. So yeah, we're getting kind of self-taught, I guess.
Not really.
Dad kind of taught us in the beginning when we were just started Scratch. So yeah. Okay, everyone. For our last question, this person asks, "What's our favorite YouTuber?" And you can say any YouTubers which are not Scratch ones, but you can still say your Scratch YouTubers. My favorite YouTuber is probably Mr. Beast. He does a lot of good stuff. He, like, helps the community. He does a lot of cool challenge videos. I like his content. So my brother's gonna answer the question now.
So I really love Minecraft. So my favorite YouTubers are probably Popular MMOs or Log.Zip. They're really cool YouTubers that do a lot of cool stuff. So, what is your favorite Scratch YouTuber?
I guess for me, I like programming videos in general. I guess those YouTuber that does programming, or some science videos. That's also cool. I like those. Amazing.
Be Amazed.
Be Amazed tutorial. Be Amazed video. Those are also
cool
good.
videos.
Or infographic show. Those are cool.
That's it for the video. It's Q&A end time. So, anyways, that's it for this video. So please like, share, subscribe, and yeah, you can comment whatever you want. I don't care what you comment, but just comment something so we get more comments.
Yeah.
So we might reply to them. So, anyways, that's it for this video.
Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for 5K subs.
Bye bye.